Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You are at the hazard. Act immediately. Locate and pull the shower handle firmly so water flows at full force. You want a continuous deluge. Once the flow starts, remove contaminated clothing quickly to stop ongoing exposure. Do not waste time searching for valuables. Make sure you stand directly under the center of the spray so water contacts all affected skin. Keep hands free to separate clothing and to open hems. The goal is rapid, total rinsing to dilute and wash away contaminants. Continue rinsing with deliberate thoroughness. You should wet hair, face, and body from top to toe so contaminants flow downward. This prevents spreading to new areas. Once done with initial rinsing, make sure to stay under the shower for at least 15 minutes, longer for strong chemicals, because time underwater reduces tissue damage. Do not scrub. Gentle rinsing preserves skin integrity while removing material. If eyes are involved, hold eyelids open and flush them separately for 15 minutes to protect vision and reduce chemical burn. After thorough flushing, you must complete the response sequence. Call emergency medical services and tell them the agent involved, because treatment depends on the substance. Once done, move to a safe area away from the hazard. Keep warm and cover exposed skin with clean, non-adhesive material while you await care. Make sure to report the incident to your supervisor so decontamination and incident control can begin. If the shower fails, use any available water source, buckets, a hose, or a nearby eye wash station to continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.